Hello, I'm Richard from In Trouble, Rip Yagerman, Common Sense Rip. And today I received my One Funnel Away Challenge box, and I wanted to part of as a kind of a review, kind of testimonial kind of thing. I was going to open up in front of everyone and see what we got. So ironically, I enrolled in the challenge. It started a week ago. I've been in a preliminary week, and now this week actually starts the actual training. It's got a paperwork, got a bunch of nice stuffing. It's got a One Funnel Away Challenge. I don't know what it is. It's a little MP3 player. Very cool. Now the challenge was $100 to get involved with, which I thought I spent more than that on a good night out. So I didn't think $100 was a lot to spend on myself. In addition, for $19.95, you could get this shipped to you, which I thought was more than fair. This is actually a hard copy book of If You Suddenly Lose Everything, 30days.com. What would you do from day 1 to 30 to save yourself? It's a 500 and some odd page book. $100 bill. Two Comma Club coaching book. And the One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. Looks like with each of the missions. So I'm a paper kind of guy, so I love paper stuff. I love stuff having something tangible in your hand that you can use and that you can refer back to. So I thought for the $20, it was well worth getting what was involved in here in my hands. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Hey, two things kind of quick. First one, I wanted to make sure that I thanked the person that was behind the camera before. That was my wife, the extraordinary Eileen. She got eaten alive making that video when I was unboxing this package that came in, and I wanted to make sure to give her the kudos because I didn't see the camera move and she said she was getting eaten alive. So thank you so much, sweetheart. That was awesome. Second of all, I didn't get a really chance to take a look at what was in the box, and I just want to kind of go quick over it now that I had a chance to kind of look over the stuff and kind of learn what was there. One of the things I actually first liked was there was a saying on top of the box, which I thought was just awesome. To each there comes in their own lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. If you recognize the finest hour, it's Sir Winston Churchill. I think that's just awesome. So without taking too much more of your time, some of the things that I dove into was there was this small little MP3 player that had come in here, which has actually got the audio of all the training that he's going to go through in the next 4 weeks of the training, which I think is just awesome. Plug in your headphones. We do get the PDFs that are downloadable for the lessons, but in each one of the challenges and the missions and reviews, it's actually a bound copy that you can have to follow along with that. And the other thing that was in here was You Suddenly Lose Everything, 30days.com. And what he did is he went through there's 30 millionaires that he had gone through and asked if you lost everything, what would be the next 30 days of what you do. And each one of those people has day 1 what they do, day 2 what they do, and I think that's just a phenomenal resource as a hard copy, and that was included in this. I am that guy. I did take a look quick online to see what these things go for. One of the used bookstores that I go to, that I pick up a lot of my books from, had this listed for $39.49. So the $19.95 for the shipping to get this stuff all to come in place, I'm jacked. I'm extremely excited, and I'll talk to you soon.